So glad you made it here. I was just thinking about you. I want to show you something about attaching these arms on this paddler, canoe paddler figure that I figured out. Something about the geometry. Hang on to your hat. Well, I've got this canoe paddler, and I was just putting a couple separate studs on there like that, but you can see just looking here it's not quite straight. So, and it throws off the geometry when the arm comes down. The geometry changes if it's not in a complete straight line here. So you don't want that. You look at that and you think it'd be okay, but it's bad geometry and you'll get some binding. So what you want to do, make yourself up something like this and use a single axle right here. Kind of hit it on there. Yeah, about like that. You got that like that. And I drilled the hole out quite a bit. It's kind of loose, so I got quite a bit of play on there. I can go all the way like this. And you got the same thing on this other arm. I got a little, I reamed out the hole a little bit, so I got some play. Well, I got my paddle here, and I've got a little piece of 3/16 inch brass rod in the top. And what you want to do, you want to check this angle here. You don't want it straight like this, because that's not very realistic. You wouldn't get anywhere paddling like that. So you need this paddle turned at least a little bit like that. So you look at it there, and then you come here and you figure out somewhere you need a 1/16 inch hole right about there. So I just drill right through the hand. Okay, go like that. Check your angle. I say that's looking pretty good. It's got a pretty good, it could be a little bit more this way. That's not too bad an angle. I think that'll work. So once you figure that out, you can take your drill and just drill the hole somewhere in here, right through the hand. Okay, take a piece of 1/16 inch rod and put it in there. Just dry fit it for now. You can go back later and glue it in. Just make sure it's going to work. Okay, there it is. There's the arms attached, and it's perfect. No binding. The geometry is perfect on it. So, all right. Hope that helps you out. I tell you what, this canoe paddler is a great whirligig. I can see the arm is tilted in a little bit. I need to adjust it out, but I can do that. Thanks for stopping by. I sure appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Take care. I'll see you down the trail. Bye now.